एक्टिंग इरफान खान करता है, उसके ऐसा थोड़ी करता, उससे अच्छा एक्टर इंडिया में नहीं पैदा हुआ अभी।
It is really a heartbreak moment for me and may all for the cinema lovers. Guys, Irfan Khan passed away due to neuroendocrine tumor. It's feel me like now something got missed from my life. The man who was completely outside of the industry and made such a reputed place in Hindi cinema. The man possessed too much of talent and hold in his craft that he sucks you into the character while he is on screen. Depiction of character by him lasts with you very long. He will make you empathize with the characters. The portrayal of character and choices of script he made were always come with something new. Watching Irfan really changed my preference of cinema in my adolescence. He always live in our hearts. Here, in tribute to Irfan Khan, I am presenting you to some of unforgettable character and movies of Irfan that had very lasting impact on me.
रणविजय सिंह।
शांत हो जाओ रणविजय, शांत हो जाओ। रणविजय सिंह कसम खा के कह रहे हैं हमारे गांव में जो लोग मरे।
2003 Hasil, directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia. Hasil rolls around the college student politics at Allahabad University. Anirudh and Niharika studying in the same campus become romantically involved. Unfortunately, their relationship can't escape the political battle happening in university and havoc of Ranvijay Singh. Ranvijay Singh, played by Irfan. Watch the movie to see how Ranvijay Singh battle his political rival Gauri Shankar and why he makes trouble for the duo. Maqbool. 2003 Vishal Bhardwaj directed crime drama Maqbool. Maqbool is the adaptation of Macbeth by Shakespeare. The Maqbool is hustling between the loyalty and the love. This hustle forces him to take action of choosing either of one. Resulting consequences of his decision changes his world from upside down and inside out, led him to the complete destruction. In Maqbool, we have basket of phenomenal actors of Hindi cinema. Irfan himself as a Maqbool, Pankaj Kapoor, Tabu, Nasir Saab, Om Puri, Piyush Mishra and Deepak Dobriyal. Sergeant Fernandez.
हेलो, आपको कुछ बताना है?
2013 Lunchbox, directed by Ritesh Batra. Lunchbox is a romantic drama movie. Sergeant Fernandez, played by Irfan, a irritated widower, lives alone in Mumbai due to mistake in Dabbawala service system. He started to receive lunchbox prepared by Ela. A young housewife tried to seek attention of her husband. Soon the communication established between them through exchange of handwritten chits through lunchboxes. An unusual friendship developed between them. Catch this movie to know whether they meet or not and what happened to this unusual relationship. Pan Singh Tomar.
हम जो कह रहे हैं हमारे मोड़ों को इतो मारो है, जो खटिया पे पड़ो है, खून बहरो है, बाहिल डुल ना पारो।
अरे तो सांस तो चल रही बाकी।
जब मर जाए तो तबे आए, देश के लिए फालतू भागे हम।
2012 Tigmanshu Dhulia directed Pan Singh Tomar, based on real figure Pan Singh Tomar, who is famous for being a decoy of Chambal Valley. Movie showcased the roller coaster life of Pan Singh Tomar, from Murena to recruit in Indian Army, to become athlete for Indian Army, to won gold in international military games for India, to being retired from army, to being crushed by the system and become a baghi, and how his life ended. Yogi.
टोटल 3 बार इश्क किया और तीनों बार ऐसा इश्क मतलब जानलेवा इश्क, मतलब घनघोर, हद पार।
आप टच में हैं उनसे?
ना।
तो जाके मिल आइए।
आप चलना चाहेंगी?
2017 Karib Karib Single, a rom-com movie. QQS is a movie which gave me insight of what should be the way of living life. Movie convey its message by crossing the path of two characters, Yogi and Jaya Sashidharan. Yogi played by Irfan. These two completely different to each other, both share a journey together connecting to the past of Yogi. This journey brings changes to both of their lives. Character of Yogi is lovable. Yogi has his own unique way to represent himself. It's fun to watch every time when he is on screen. So that's the Shutter Down, guys. The list will be go on if we not stop here. Irfan sir, we always miss you.